All right, today we're taking a look at something super clean. 2018 Land Rover Range Rover HSE. This one's got low mileage, clean Carfax, no accidents. And my favorite part, it's got the bulletproof turbo diesel motor in it. It's only 44,000 and change miles on this. You got the really nice jet black exterior. It's got the chrome on the outside, tan leather interior with a little bit of brown. And this thing's loaded with options. So you got heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, cooled rear seats. It's got the upgraded sound system in it. Condition-wise, super close. As you can see, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof with the sunshade. Got the Meridian upgraded sound system. All the cool new features with the door on the new body style. Interior super clean. Now take it to the back seat. So what's cool about the new body style, you can actually recline the back seat set up. So you bring it forward and back. You got a bunch of controls up here. You can operate the full sunroof, all that good stuff. Like I said, you got heated and cooled rear seats back here. Super nice shape. Obviously, same controls over here. You got the full recline setting. Bring it up and back. Also controls over here for your sunroof and some other options. Love the color of the seat backs. Like I said, heated and cooled rear seats. Bunch of different power cords as well. What's going on? Got the double tailgate with the new body styles. Full spare in there. This one's going live today at BRIANSAutocenter.com.